it.
Ooh.
Bell. Nice bell.
Oh, look at that light.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, we'll have to wait here for the one behind this if this is M605. The lights on this side are both messed up. Good lord.
Oh wow, you actually see the bulb in there.
Yeah. Something smashed them. I guess we'll check the ones on the other side. I mean, I'll park right there, so.
Were they smashed before? I don't think they were.
They weren't.
Huh?
That looks very recent too, because it's been over a month, so surely if it happened after we were here, the maintainer already would have seen it and fixed it. So check these crosses monthly. Look at the rail jumping. Where? Over there? Yeah. Bulkhead flats. Yep. Imagine these should be getting close because it's hit the detector.
It didn't give a report, so.
Well, I mean, the head end just hit the detector.
Yeah.
Yep, there's the end of it.
We're gonna wait here then?
Yeah. There should be a rail. W014 shouldn't be too far behind them.